This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 30 feet 9 inches in length and features sleep 6, air conditioning, stovetop burner, awning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, smoke detector, slide-out, water heater, LP detector, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Forest River Sunseeker 2860DS is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.